So here is the too long didn't read. It was my bestie's birthday. We planned a road trip from Maryland to Florida. So a tropical waterfall just outside of Cooksville, Tennessee was our first stop. We were playing in the water when we asked a random guy to take pictures of us. Eventually he said, "Do you want to go behind the waterfall?" Behind the waterfall? We had no idea you could go behind the waterfall. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is JoJo, and I love to travel in ways that are both socially and environmentally responsible. And I believe you can do it too. Chasing Waterfalls is a travel series that I started in 2020 when international travel was at a standstill. But I was still searching for that tropical summer vibe from these domestic travel locations in the United States. I did some serious research and created a map with dozens of swimmable waterfalls along the east coast of the United States. My friends and I have only explored about a handful of waterfalls, so follow our journey for more content on waterfalls, travel, culture, and politics. Our journey started when we drove 7 hours from DC to Tennessee, and from there we headed straight for the waterfalls. You have to register your visit online at least one day before, and once you get there, you have to check in with the park ranger.
Maybe when we come back?
There was a fork in the hiking path where you can decide to see the waterfall from the top or from the bottom. We decided to check out the top path just to get a cool overhead view of the falls. Then we turned around and we took the bottom path. We scaled down some rickety stairs and giant rocks before reaching the bottom of the riverbed.
Yeah, 2,000-year-old trees. That's crazy. Yeah, like those are like ancestors.
We had to cross the riverbed over rocks and streams.
You can take photos too with video running.
Oh, wow.
I believe so.
There was a congress of butterflies calmly basking in the puddles of water.
Well, let's discuss climate change, really.
Humans are out here. The love of plastic is fly out.
It was quite far, but it was a mostly flat journey from here on out. And there were pools of water deep enough to soak in, kind of like a natural hot tub.
Absolute safe. Yeah, I'll get you by yourself. Jasmine, where are you going? To breathe. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. Giving mermaid. Mermaid meets Barbie.
I'm a black Barbie, pretty face, perfect body.
Hey. Always fucking like I'm sorry. Who the fuck is gonna check her? Bring it back, stick a pepper in my chicken triple decker. No flex, don't. No flex, don't. No, it's so beautiful. Like, this is really good. Where are we, Jolana?
We finally got to the waterfall. and there were so many people there. But people are a good thing. I reject this idea that we should go to places when there aren't people around, or that we should wake up so early and get to the place before people arrive. I don't live on Instagram. I live in the real world, and I don't visit these waterfalls just to take pretty pictures. I visit to explore them. Having people around makes things safer. Having someone around to tell me how deep the water is, or where there are sharp rocks, or where the rocks are slippery, makes this entire journey much safer for me. For example, this lady showed us that in the middle of the river there's a rock where you can sit and even slide down. I wouldn't have been able to capture this Little Mermaid moment without her help.
I love your work. It actually looks really cool. It actually looks cool, yeah. Yeah, do one more.
So this area is essentially a giant pool, and the water can get pretty deep. We set our bags down and jumped in. We were super happy with just this and decided to take some photos. We found a random guy. He had a professional camera on him, so we asked him to take pictures of us. That's when he asked us, "Do you guys want pictures behind the waterfall too?" We had no idea you could go behind the waterfall. We had no idea the amazing scenery that was waiting for us. People are a good thing. I don't know how this guy knew, but once you swim across the deepest part of this open pool, there is just enough rock layer for you to sit and walk.
Hey, Theo.
Smelling good over here. Is that mint?
The hike back to our car was long and treacherous, but the upside is that we were almost completely dry when we got back to our car. We peeled out of there and stopped at a random thrift store down the street. Before moving on to our next stop on this road trip, we got local Nashville barbecue at a restaurant off of Martin Luther King Boulevard. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember that when I'm not traveling, I work as a diversity facilitator, an international PR and marketing specialist. Check out the links below for more information. Thanks!